2005 Ford Mustang GT convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. And listen to this, just a little over 2,000 miles on this one is all. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Two owner vehicle in mineral gray, great color in 2005. Take a look at the front fascia, grille. As you can see, driving lights. And yes, this car shows as you would expect it to, with that low miles on it. Upgraded interior in it with the red leather, power black vinyl top. You'll be able to see the window sticker with the still pictures, and you can see the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. 507-386-1726 is the number to call. And this vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. 4.6-liter single overhead cam V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, Shaker 500 system as we take a little peek at the interior. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little closer, start it up, let you hear it run, take a look underneath the hood, and also remember at the end of the video, there will be a little driving video with this car so you can see what it's like going down the road, kind of take a virtual ride in it if you will. Just so you know, there's a little box of miscellaneous items that will go with this. There's a t-shirt in there, there's some posters, all the manuals. So that will be included, be put back in the trunk. Power top, black vinyl. I didn't mention that earlier. We're going to put that up at the end of the video so you can take a look at that also. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. 507-386-1726, number to call. Once again, all the pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com, over 100 pictures of this vehicle online on our website. Don't expect this one to last too long, and you can see interior is in like new condition also. Door panels not sagging if you're familiar with Mustangs. This vintage at all, door panels look good. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seat over here on the driver's side. And take a look at the lack of wear on the seat. Again, about 2,095 miles, I think it was. Let's go ahead and start it up. Check it out. Take a look. Does come with both key fobs. Let's close the door, and there's your miles, 2,095. No warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that. Of course, there's your Shaker 500 system, the 6 CD changer, AM FM stereo, working order. This dash looks just like new. This car's been stored indoors. Riding on Pirelli P0 all-season radials. Those were actually replaced in 2019 due to age, so they're only a few years old. And this car has not been driven in any sort of inclement weather. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. I want to get the hood open, show you the hood struts on there so you don't have to use a prop rod, and a couple other things underneath there. All right. Should be able to get this one one-handed since I don't need the prop rod. Alright, first off, just look at that front fascia. I have not really noticed any nicks, chips, or scratches on this one. Into the engine bay. It does have the plenum cover here. And that is actually painted to match, very similar to the mineral gray color of the car. Looks good on there. Would I say it's exact? No, but the contrast looks very, very nice. I don't see any modifications besides just that cover. And also check out the hood liner. So you can see no grease, no grime. The stuff that's left over after you drive it in the rain or crummy weather. So This one is as clean in person as it looks. Remember, we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. Can't make it to look at this one yourself, feel free to have somebody come take a peek at it. Try to represent them as fairly as possible, and with the low miles on this, there's nothing to hide. Check out a copy of the Carfax, look through all the still pictures, watch this little walk around video, and then watch it all the way to the end so you can kind of see how the car goes down the road too. So for now, I'm going to turn this off, close up the hood. I want to get the convertible top up so you can take a peek at that too. And then, like I said, there'll be a driving video at the very end of this. You can check what it's like to drive it down the road. Here it is with the top up. It's like I said, black vinyl top, power top. I don't know if this thing's hardly been up on the car. According to the previous owner, the parade boot to the convertible top cover that was in it has only been in the car twice. So, driven about 300 to 500 miles a year. That's what they had said, just to keep it out and about and driven. You can see the side glass. Nice fit, also in nice shape. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Once again, no surprises. Two-owner car, clean Carfax. Going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. 2,095 miles, was it? 05 Ford Mustang GT convertible, and best of all, mineral gray. That red interior. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2005 Ford Mustang. This car is a convertible. It is also a 5-speed manual right here on the console. Very low mile car, showing only 2,093.1 miles currently. Make that 0.2. And it is a little bit different. Nice looking interior. We got some black and red going on. You can't actually see that in this video, but the seats are red. Door panel treatments are red and black. It's a nice change, nice look. This car feels and handles like a low mile Mustang. Everything appears to be working. All our gauges are working, running at normal ranges. If I let go of the steering wheel, this car stays nice and straight. Oil pressure and battery gauge are showing about 2/3 of the gauge, which is just right. Very easy to drive, corners very well. This car doesn't seem to lean much at all in the corners. Nice quiet ride. Modern convertible does not leak in any air around the seals. Really fun to drive. 2005 Ford Mustang. Check it out at UniqueClassicCars.com.